This is the Morning Buzz. I drink a lot of energy drinks like these, and I was looking for something that worked with my budget a little bit better. So I tried this stuff out, and I've been trying it for a couple days, and I really like it, and I want to show you what I found. Basically, when you're looking at an energy drink like this, the main ingredients are going to be niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and pantothenic acid. You can see we've got the daily percentages right here. Basically, this stuff has everything that's in this monster and more. You know, we've got vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, thiamine, riboflavin. We've got the niacin at 375% of the daily value, where this monster's 250. The B6 is at 882% of the daily value, which is at 230, so it's almost 4 times. The B12 at 1875%, which is again 3 times the amount of the monster. And the pantothenic acid at 1000%, which is more than double of the monster. So that's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted that energy rush, and I wanted it to be similar to what I was used to. Now, flavor-wise, let me show you what I'm doing with it. Obviously, I take some distilled water. I could see that a heaping teaspoon and maybe a half will fill this thing up. I know what I want to use in here. You know, I'm taking a teaspoon of this, throwing it into some water, teaspoon and a half of this. That gives me basically a scoop of it. Now, the flavor, everybody has a different take on what tastes good to them and what doesn't. What I'm going to do is add a half a Crystal Light here, because that gives me the strawberry flavor, and this really tastes good to me anyway. Shake it up, chill it, whatever you want to do with it. I've got mine nice and cold, and I've got a gigantic Monster energy drink in my mind, and I know I'm drinking a liter of water at the same time. I think this stuff's awesome. Definitely worth checking it out if you're into energy drinks. It doesn't make me feel shaky at all, and I drink coffee as well. I'm a kind of a caffeine freak. So far, I love this stuff. The Morning Buzz.